श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Good morning everyone, I'm Samiksha from class 10B. Let's start our day with a beautiful morning prayer. Please join your hands for the prayer. Dear Lord, as I begin this day, let me turn my thoughts to you and ask your help in guiding me in everything I say and do. Lord, give me the patience that I need to keep my peace of mind, and with life's care, dear God, I hope some happiness to find. Dear Lord, let me live for today, not worrying about what's ahead, and be with me throughout the day for all that will be done and said. Thank you so much.
Very good morning everyone, I am Khichripur and today I am going to speak the word of the day. So the word of the day is vociferous. I repeat my word vociferous. The meaning of the word is expressing your opinions or feelings in a loud and a confident way. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Krishna Sharma and I am here to share the thought for the day. So the thought for the day is, words once spoken can't be taken back. And a word can sometimes be sharper than 1,000 swords. So we need to take care for the words in our speech. The attributes of a good speech are that it must be sweetly conveyed, true and useful, and must not create a sense of discomfort or fear in the listener. This is also beautifully conveyed in the Sanskrit shlok of chapter 17 verse 15, which is Anudvaikaram Vakyam Satyam Prihitam Chayata Swadhyaya Bhaisanam Chaiva Vanmayam Tapa Uchyate. And to inculcate the feeling and quality in us, we need to sincerely practice the art of speaking good and be in the company of good. Thanks.
In the universe of English literature, there is always present a name, being one of the most shining stars, and that is the name of O. Henry. Very good morning to all of you. I am Aryan Vats. As you know, today we are talking about one of the legends of our English literature, O. Henry, also known as Oliver Henry. He was born on 11th of September 1862. His real name was William Sidney Potter. He is best known because of his immense contribution in American short stories. He died on 5th of June 1910. Some of his great contribution in American short stories are The Ransom of Red Chief, The Gift of Maggie, and The Duplicity of Hargraves. Potter's legacy also includes an award known as O. Henry Award. It is an annual award given to an outstanding short story. With this, I conclude my words and wish you will enjoy today's morning assembly. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kanika from class 10B School of Excellence, Khichripur. Today I'm here to tell you about how did O. Henry chose his pen name. There are a lot of stories on how did O. Henry chose his pen name. In an interview with New York Times, William Sidney Porter, or O. Henry, revealed that his friend helped him in choosing his pen name. They chose Henry as the last name, and his friend suggested him to use simple first initial, and Porter chose O because he said it is the easiest letter to write, and that's how they came up with the name O. Henry.
A very good morning to all of you. This is Swastika Nigam from class 10B, and I am here to present contribution of O. Henry in English literature. He was well-known American poet. His stories were vivid. He is master of surprising endings, and he usually designed story plots dramatically and some unexpected changes at the end, which is quite out of the reader's expectations. Another style of his novel is Tearing Smile, which is a mixture of comedy and the tragedy. O. Henry typical writing style can be concluded as follows: humorous writing, surprising endings, and tearful smile. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे